The Porsche 911 is a name that has become synonymous with excellence in the world of sports cars. 6 decades since its inception, the brand has launched a special edition to commemorate its 60th anniversary. The new Porsche 911 ST, produced in a limited run of 1,963 units, is a tribute to the driving enthusiasts who seek purity in their driving experience. Combining the best attributes from the 911 GT3 and the 911 GT3 RS, it embraces a high-revving engine from the GT3 RS, paired for the first time with a manual gearbox and lightweight clutch, offering a powerful yet refined driving experience. The meticulous engineering behind this model is a testament to Porsche's commitment to excellence. Merging the attributes of the 911 GT3 with Touring Package and the 911 GT3 RS, the 911 ST is equipped with a 4-liter boxer engine, lightweight construction, and an optimized running gear setup that allows the car to weigh a mere 1,380 kilograms. The optional Heritage Design Package, inspired by the racing version of the 911S from the late 1960s and early 1970s, provides a nostalgic touch to this modern marvel. Drawing from their vast expertise in GT and motorsport, Porsche has endowed the 911 ST with nimble and agile handling characteristics, tailored for winding country roads. The vehicle responds instantly and precisely to driver inputs, ensuring a direct and exhilarating driving experience. Unlike its GT3 RS sibling, which is honed for track performance, the 911 ST is designed for the pleasure of open-road driving. The nomenclature of the car pays homage to the legacy of the 911S. In the late 1960s, Porsche introduced a race version of the 911S, designated internally as the 911 ST. This original model, devoid of large spoilers or modern aerodynamic aids, prioritized improvements in acceleration, braking, and cornering. The new 911 ST captures the essence of the original, combining elements from the 911 GT3 RS, the 911 GT3 with Touring Package, and introducing lightweight components, creating a distinct driving experience within the 911 GT portfolio. Porsche's commitment to lightweight construction is evident in every aspect of the 911 ST. Utilizing carbon fiber reinforced plastic for various components, magnesium wheels, the PCCB system, and a lithium-ion battery, the car achieves an impressive curb weight. The vehicle also benefits from a newly developed lightweight clutch and a 6-speed manual transmission, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 3.7 seconds, with a top speed of 194 miles per hour. With aerodynamics tailored for public road use, the 911 ST comes with features such as a gurney flap on the extending rear spoiler and magnesium wheels measuring 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear. The interior continues the premium theme, with CFRP full bucket seats, a classic green Porsche color scheme for the instrument cluster, and the Sport Chrono package clock. For those seeking an even more exclusive touch, Porsche offers the Heritage Design Package. This includes unique color options like shore blue metallic, the ability to customize with a starting number, and decorative foils. This package, peppered with classic Porsche crests and two-tone semi-aniline leather trims, truly captures the historic essence of the 911 ST. The Porsche 911 ST is not just a car, it's a celebration. A celebration of 60 years of automotive excellence, design brilliance, and a commitment to driving purity. Every detail, from the engine to the optional Heritage Design Package, embodies the spirit of the original 911, while embracing modern technology and design. The 911 ST is a fitting tribute to an iconic legacy and is bound to become a cherished model among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.